Lesson 4, Evedex Trading Terminal. In this lesson, we'll cover a step-by-step guide for navigating the Evedex Trading Terminal. The Evedex Trading Terminal provides traders with a comprehensive set of tools for working with cryptocurrencies, including margin trading, various types of orders, and strategies for both long and short positions. In this guide, we will walk through how to use these features effectively to trade on the Evedex platform. Logging into the trading terminal. Step 1. Go to the Evedex platform and log into your account by connecting your wallet or logging in via social account. Step 2. On the home page or via the navigation menu, select the Trade tabs to access the trading terminal. Setting up margin trading. Step 1 is in the upper part of the trading terminal, select the margin option for margin trading. Step 2, set your desired leverage level by selecting the multiplier. Types of orders. The Evedex Trading Terminal offers various types of orders, which are used depending on your trading strategy. Market order, a buy or sell order placed at the current market price. This is a quick way to execute a trade. Limit order, an order that is only executed at the price you specify, or better. This allows you to get a more favorable price, but you must wait for the market to reach this specified price. Stop limit order. This order is used to manage risk and automate the buying or selling process under certain conditions. The trigger price, the price at which the order becomes active. Once the asset reaches this point, the order is triggered. Limit price, the price at which you want to buy or sell the asset. After the stop price is triggered, the order becomes a limit order, executed at the limit price or better. To place an order, choose its type and enter the necessary parameters, such as quantity and price. How to open a long position. Select the trading pair you want to trade. You can choose it from the drop-down list or search the desired token. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the position. You can determine the size of your position in 3 ways. Order by quantity. Select the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. This method allows you to specify the exact number of units of the asset you plan to acquire. Order by value, USDT. The position size is determined by the total value of the trade in USDT. You specify how much USDT you want to spend on buying the cryptocurrency. Order by margin. The position size is determined by the margin in USDT that you are willing to use to open the leverage trade. Choose your desired leverage level and open the trade at the market price or limit price, depending on your order type. For example, in this case, we plan to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin when the price reaches 96,494.2. After opening the position, monitor the price movement and manage your order with a stop loss and take profit orders to lock in profits or minimize losses. You can set these orders right away, so the sale will happen automatically. You can put these orders right away, so the sale will happen automatically without needing to constantly monitor the price. To do this, go to the positions section and add a stop loss order. Automatically closes your position when the price reaches your set level of limit losses. And a take profit order, which automatically locks in your profits when the price reaches the set level. How to open a short position. To open a sell or short position, select the trading pair you want to short. Enter the amount and price at which you want to open the short order. For example, you can open a sell order at the current market price or set a limit order. After your position is open, monitor market movement and manage risk with stop loss orders. Closing a position. When the price reaches your target level, or if you want to cut your losses, you need to close your position. To do this, select the active positions and click the Close Position button. Confirm the action, and the system will execute the trade at the current market price or as per the orders that you've set. Risk management. Margin trading always carries the risk of price moving against you. To limit losses, use stop loss and take profit orders that will automatically close your position when a certain profit or loss level is reached. Setting these orders will help to automate the process and avoid emotional decision-making during periods of high volatility. Monitoring positions and history in order sections. You can track all of your active orders, trade history, and results. This allows you to monitor which orders have been filled and how your balance is changing. To conclude, the Evedex Trading Terminal provides all of the necessary tools for effective cryptocurrency trading, including margin trading, long and short positions, and various types of orders. These features help traders to manage their positions precisely and flexibly, while the market analysis and risk management tools allows them to reduce the likelihood of loss.